Survival is a very serious and a complicated subject. You deserve to understand the many questions and the many answers associated with preparing for future catastrophes. You need and deserve to know the who, when, how, why, what, where, and which on this subject. To learn all those questions and the subsequent answers, you will need to watch a very special video that was created for this purpose. This video is about 40 minutes long and will change your world. So watch it to the very end. Don't miss a moment of this fact-filled, informative video about you, your family, and your future. You can check it out here. Either click the link or copy and paste it into your browser. See you on the other side.